Morning YouTube. This is us back again on the road. Long time since Ashi accompanied me. She wasn't well. She got herself cut on her finger, and we gave her sufficient time to rest. So this is us back on the road after a really long time. This is red soil. Red soil, the likes of which everyone will enjoy, especially if you've got an off-road capable motorcycle. Hey, when did they tar this? All this was mud. Crazy. Looking for some off-road. Ah, there you go. Nope. Off-road begins. Just try this and see where this takes us. That's the thing with the Himalayan. No complaints. Point and go. Point and go, point and go, point and go. Yes, loose gravel and stuff does bother the bike, but not as much as it would bother another bike. If you're good with your throttling, this thing will take you just about anywhere you want it to take you. Now, getting into forest. That's two temples. Does look like a frequented road because of the tire marks that I see. Yep. Hello. Hello. No, that's all right. Hi. Crazy. Simply crazy. Dual sport fun. Slide, slide, slide. As long as you have your throttle under control, it's okay to slide a bit. Oh ho 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 ho! Worth it, right? Woohoo! You could go down too. Figure out a way to go down. Look at this. Look at all of this. We should have come early in the morning, right? When the sun is just rising. Try looking for a way to climb that up. Look at the color of the water. The Grand Canyons of Chennai. I think this is as far as I should risk it. Oh, that's my riding partner. Take me, take me, take me. That's all there is that she can say. She says that 1,000 times a day. Happy? Happy? Crazy, isn't it, Ashi? Super duper duper crazy. Huh? Oh, you saw him too? There must be a village somewhere. Explorers on the moon. Whoa ho ho ho. Look at where Himi is parked at. Oh my god. Oh my god. Poor little Himi, I'm so sorry. I'm so sorry I got you involved in this. I'm so sorry, poor thing. Oh my god. Oh god, sorry. Sorry, poor fella. I know you don't like thorns. Me neither. Ah, now you go, man. There's one pricking you from the front as well. Shit. Ah. That's a place worth exploring. That's India for you. You'll find neem. You will find creepers. You'll find all sorts of bushes, trees, grass, everything growing together in one tiny area. Crazy, isn't it? To think. Just to think that to go down and then make a U-turn. That's the tractor. Nothing stops the tractor. Look at the water here. What did I tell you? This is the most gorgeous thing you would ever find. Of course we can. Poor little Himi. No chance of getting into the water again. It's going to be cursing me, I guess. Look at that bike. Crazy. Crazy motorcycle. Super easy to control, super easy to maneuver. Just makes for a wonderful companion.